Hi my beauties, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my little cat ear buns that I had in my fall spooky home decor haul. So it's pretty quick and easy. And before I get into today's video, I wanted to show you guys, so this is my hair. It was curled, but I brushed it out. And it is a little bit greasy, but that's okay. And then I am wearing a polo hoodie that I believe I bought on Poshmark when I was in high school. And then I have this cute little, it's not a bralette, but it's a little tank top that I got from Forever 21 a bunch of years ago. And don't worry, that's the little nipple covers that I put over it because I filmed an eyeliner tutorial and I had a little crop top on, so I wanted to cover it just in case, but I don't even think this lower half showed in my other video. But yeah, just an FYI. So to start off, I am going to section my hair. So usually, I think in the last video, I left a couple of pieces out, so I'm just gonna follow this line here, which you can also just use the point of your eyebrow. So I'm gonna go like that. And that's how I find my little pieces that I like to use as bangs. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the side. And I'll take less hair out because as you can see, some of the hairs are like longer than others. But for now, that will do. And then I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller because I don't want my bangs to be too thick. So I'm gonna move this behind, and then I'm gonna follow the line of this side so that they somewhat hopefully match in thickness. So do those look the same? Somewhat. This one looks a little bit more, so I could try to fix. Depends if I want more hair. I think I want a little bit more hair on this side, so I'm just gonna trace it. Okay, now I'm gonna move these two pieces out of the way with like a hair tie or a clip, but in this case I'm using a hair tie. And I'm moving this out the way because this is going to be my bangs. So hopefully you guys can't see how greasy my hair is because my hair is greasy. I have to wash it. But for now, I'm going to, just to make it a little bit easier on myself because I feel like I don't really know how to do hair like that. So what I did was with my hands, I kind of split with my fingers. I split my hair. I think I got more hair on this side. So I could use my comb, but I'm just gonna use my fingers, and just go low down here. And I'm just gonna section the back piece so that I don't grab any hair that I'm not gonna be using. And like I said, this is just to make it easier for myself because I really don't know how to do hair like that. So now I have these couple pieces of hair, this much hair sticking out. So now I'm going to go like this. I feel like this looks like a good enough amount of hair, chunk of hair. And I'm gonna start twisting it. So these bobby pins, I just bought them from the dollar store and I got them in the shade brown so that they can match my hair color a little bit more. So let's try this again. So remember not to twist too tight, or if you have thicker hair or choosing a bigger piece of hair, because if not, then it's gonna come out super small. Okay, so this is how I'm doing the first one. And I'm just going to put one bobby pin in, like that. And you can even tuck it underneath a little hair. Perfect. And now I'm going to copy the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to try to get the same amount of hair. I'm just feeling my head to see how much hair I used for this one. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it a little bit more this way. I look so funny because I have my little bangs parted in front of my face, but I'm trying to get them to be a little bit like close together so that they're like up in front and center. Okay, so I kind of like how this one came out, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Grab another bobby pin, and then I'm just gonna put it in. Oh, I hate when that happens, when the bobby pin twists and then you can't, now it's flat, you can't put it properly. Okay, so you can try to like fix it a little bit. All right, so in my last video I had my hair curled. Oh wait, hold on, they look a little bit let me fix them. In my last video though, I had my hair curled, but I'm a little bit too lazy to curl my hair, and my hair is greasy, so I don't really see the point in curling it. But does that ever happen to you when you want your hair to come out a certain way, and then you keep trying and trying and trying, and then it doesn't come out right, but on the days when you're not trying to get your hair to come out a certain way, it comes out right? Because that happens to me. I think I'm gonna make them, I just twisted it and pushed it down so that they're not sticking up as high, because I think that's what the problem is. That's why I'm not liking them too much how I did before. Okay, yeah, that looks good, because this one's like, it's given alien instead of cat. But yeah, I remember in the morning for high school, I used to get so mad because I would want my hair to come out a certain way, and then you're like rushing, you're like half asleep, your hair is just not coming out right. And I remember like I used to like cry. I used to be like, oh my god, not like literally cry, but like internally cry. And I would just be so mad, like, oh, like I just want to cut off my hair because I'm just over it. Okay, this one is just not cooperating with me. But yeah, every time. But then on the days where I didn't care about how my hair looked, or like I wasn't going anywhere special, like I didn't really care, it would come out the way that I would want to come out. And I'm like, girl, like why couldn't you have did that yesterday or the other day? Why are you acting up right now? Like, make it make sense, Miss Girl, because it's not working. Okay, I don't know why they don't want to come out the same, but Miss Girl, it is what it is. But yeah, so that's how it's looking. We're just gonna leave it just like that because I'm not gonna fix it. And then I'm gonna take out this other little hair tie that I had in the back. And you can brush it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want. If my hair wasn't so greasy, I would curl it, but yeah, that's how I did my kitty cat ears hair tutorial in my last video, in my spooky haul, spooky season haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys liked today's video, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other social media platforms, which are Instagram and TikTok. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, week, weekend, and month, because it's about to be November. So wishing you guys all the best of luck, and bye my beauties.